Module 3, Lesson 6, Dilations on the Coordinate Plane. A lot of our transformations and dilations will be done on the coordinate plane. So we need to know how to pick coordinates off and talk about coordinates being dilated. So for example here, if I just have this single coordinate 3, 2, and I want to dilate it by a scale factor of 2, that means I'm going to take each of these numbers and multiply them times 2. So 3 times 2 will be the new number here, and this 2 times 2 will be our new number here. We take our original pre-image x times the scale factor and our original pre-image y times the scale factor, and that would be our new coordinate. So 6, 4 is our new coordinate, which means over 6 and up 4, so there would be our new A prime coordinate. Let's try another one. 4, 8 is our original coordinate. Our scale factor is 1/2. So we're going to take 4 times 1/2 and 8 times 1/2, which will give us 2 and 4. So 2, 4 be right there, will be our new our new A prime coordinate. Now we can do the same thing with just without the picture, with just the coordinates. Here's our coordinate. Our scale factor is 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 9 times 3 is 27. That would be our new location of our new point. Now a scale factor of 11/7, we're going to have to take 7 times 11/7 and 6 times 11/7. So 7 times 11/7 is actually just 11, and 6 times 11/7 is 66/7. All right, one more. Our scale factor is 3.5, so -2 times 3.5 is -7, and 3 times 3.5 is 10.5 or 10.5. All right, so here's a picture. We're using a scale factor of 3. So rather than like in the first two examples, we just dilated a single coordinate, now we have to dilate all 3 coordinates. So our A coordinate is -3, 1. Our scale factor is 3, so we're going to take these two numbers times 3. So -9, 3 would be our next coordinate. B is 1, 3. So 1 times 3 and 3 times 3 will be our next coordinate. And then C is 2, -4. Multiplying each of those numbers times 3 gives us 6, -12. So if we wanted to draw this, we need a little bit bigger piece of graph paper. We would be able to draw the new shape then. And finally, sometimes they want us to dilate an object and it doesn't have a graph. It's not drawn at all. So here's the original image, and then here's our scale factor. So we're going to take each of these numbers times 1/2 and write them down over here. So -2 times 1/2 would be -1. 4 times 1/2 would be 2. 4 times 1/2 again would be 2, 2. 2 times 1/2 would just be 1. -1 times 1/2 would be -1/2. -4 times 1/2 would be -2. And -1 times 1/2 would be -1/2. So we could graph our original shape if we needed to. We could graph our new shape if we needed to, our pre-image and our image, and we'd be able to look at the comparison. This image should be smaller since the scale factor is 1/2. It's making it smaller.